Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something that's not only buzzing with potential, but has been empowering health since 1983. Yup, you heard that right. I'm talking about ImuRegen, a powerhouse food supplement that's all about boosting your immunity and aiding in cellular regeneration. Now let me break down what makes ImuRegen truly unique. First off, let's talk ingredients. ImuRegen isn't your average supplement. It's packed with 3 exclusive blends that you won't find anywhere else. We're talking about the big guns here, the 5 nucleotides, a full set of essential amino acids, and not just 10 or 15 but 20 amino acids, plus an impressive lineup of 118 oligopeptides. And let's not forget the vitamins and minerals like zinc, vitamin C, and iron. Now why does this matter? These components are crucial for supporting the structure and function of your DNA, RNA, and protein synthesis. This is vital for normal body stem cell production and function. Essentially, it's like giving your cells the ultimate toolkit to thrive and repair. Remember the Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2015? It was all about DNA repair, and guess what? Nucleotides play a key role in that. And here's the kicker. ImuRegen has been made in Europe since 1983 and is now available directly at your doorstep in places like the UK, the USA, Singapore, the Philippines, and soon, over 100 countries worldwide, thanks to the visionary leadership of Forever Healthy products. So, if you're like me and you're looking for that secret sauce to better health, you might want to consider what ImuRegen can do for you. I've been taking my dose daily, and let me tell you, it feels like I've unlocked a new level of vitality. Interested in giving it a try? Check the links in the description box below and know how to avail ImuRegen online. Boost your health game with ImuRegen. Trust me, your cells will thank you. Click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Stay tuned.
Forever Healthy Products brings to you ImuRegen. Imu represents immunity and Regen represents regeneration. A complex of dietary nucleotides containing peptides, oligopeptides, amino acids, minerals, and vitamins that support normal body functions and help boost our immune system. For our body to be healthy, we need to make sure our organs, like the heart, the brain, the kidneys, and every other organ in our body, are healthy. Our organs are made of tissue, and our tissue is made up of countless cells. This is where most of the industry is currently focused on, the cellular level. We at Forever Healthy Products go even deeper and are revolutionizing how we shape our lives by going deeper to the DNA level. DNA is essentially the blueprint of life. DNA is composed of a chain of nucleotides, adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine to maintain homeostasis or normal body functions. By ensuring we have healthy DNA, we ensure healthy cells that make healthy tissue which become healthy organs, and finally ensuring a healthy body, affording us a fulfilled and happy life. ImuRegen supports the body's structure and functions by providing the nutrients needed for a healthy body. This science-based product is supported by research conducted by the winners of the 2015 Nobel Prize in Chemistry, who studied the body's natural DNA repair mechanisms, including the mechanism now known as nucleotide excision repair. It has been researched by scientists and doctors for more than 60 years, and the product was patented in Europe since 1983. Forever Healthy Products has the exclusive rights to offer one-of-a-kind nucleotide food supplements worldwide. The product has been researched and studied for decades and proven safe for the young, elderly, and even the sportsman or athlete. This is just the tip of the iceberg on how this incredible product can give you an incredible life.